Hey guys, it's me, and today we are at Brahms. And yeah, and finally we found a store that's open, and fire alarm videos I was watching. This has the fire alarm ANN 80 fire alarm annunciator. This is the Siemens Powertronics alarm. One thing that's different, that's a Siemens, and the pull station is a fire light. Push in, pull down. Pretty nice one, by the way, but yeah. And if we come over here, we got another Siemens alarm. One thing that's weird, this is not supposed to be on the ceiling. Another Siemens alarm on the ceiling, and another one there, which is not supposed to be there, huh? Let's go in the dining room. It is? And we got pretty much everything. And in the dining room, some more Siemens alarms. Siemens, Siemens, Siemens. Siemens just keeps going on. So there's only one pull station, which is weird. And yeah, so. So yeah, and this is the market. So, and I'm gonna get tired of showing all this, and if I put this is it would be loud because in the bathrooms, guess in the men's bathroom, haven't checked women's yet. It's another Siemens fire alarm. And in the woman's bathroom, I just checked, just cut the video, and it's gonna be loud if I was in there because they have a system sensor spectre alert. Not the advanced, just a regular spectre alert.
Can I get a sack for that?
I had no idea it was open because my dad thought the drive-thru was open this whole time.
The drive-thru is open as well, but it's a shorter line if you come to the
Yeah, because
Let me grab that sack for a second.
so now if we want to come to Brahms, we can come inside. Right, Dad? Right, Dad? Now we know they're open. So guys, we're leaving. Security cameras everywhere. Dad, look below the fire alarm. Dad, look below it. See, it says Siemens. That's the brand.
Oh, yeah.
One thing that's different, that's a firelight annunciator. And this is a, well, I don't want to touch it too close to the middle because I don't want the phone to accidentally activate the alarm.
True.
Because one time I saw this person showing a fire alarm thing just like that, and she accidentally pulled it, but it was with her hands because she kept on pushing it in, and she was just showing it off.
Yeah.
Can you spoon?
Yeah.
And so it's gonna be it for today, guys. Hope you the video. If you did, smash that like button. See you next time. Goodbye.